my name is Pranali Kothekar. I am from B.Tech College of Engineering and Technology from Civil Engineering Department, third year student. Today, I will explain the numerical of DSS design of steel structure on compression member. So, question is like that: design the compression strength of the angle section ISA 110 into 110 into 10 mm. One pole connection having length of 2.5 meter. Here length is given, that is 2.5 meter. Take Fy 250 Newton per mm square and Young's modulus. If there will be Young's modulus is not given, then you can take the value this. So first of all you have to write given data. Here given data is ISA 110 into 110 into 10. Length is 2.5 meter, so we have to convert meter into millimeter. The conversion from meter to millimeter is 10 raised to the power 3. That's why we shift 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. Fy is given 250, E is given 2 into 10 raised to the power 5 and RVB we have to take from the steel table. First of all we have to calculate step 1, that is loaded row 1A. For this you have to find page number 48 clause 7.5.1.2 in IS code. So first formula is under root K1 plus K2 gamma BV square plus K3 gamma square. You can take the value from state table K1, K2 and K3 from page number from IS code page number 48 table number 12. From this table you take the value of K1, K2 and K3. It is a each portion. आपको अगर वैल्यू चाहिए K1, K2 और K3 की तो ये आपको गिवन मिलेगी IS कोड में पेज नंबर 48 टेबल नंबर 12 में K1, K2 और K3 की वैल्यू वहां से ले सकते हैं इन के लिए. Now for calculating gamma BV we have to put see this formula. अगर हमें gamma BV कैलकुलेट करना है तो उसके लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे L upon gamma BV. ये भी आपको IS कोड में मिल जाएगा. L upon gamma BV divided by E epsilon naught under root pi square E upon 250. The value of epsilon is 1. Here I have calculated for you. So this is the formula for calculating E. Or directly you can take the value that is 1. Put the value of L that is 250, 2500. RVB is given that is 21.4. E the value of E that is Young's modulus is 2 into 10 raised to the power 5 and this is 250. After calculating overall, you will get 1.31. That is the value of gamma BV. Put this value in this formula. Now you have to calculate lambda sigma square, lambda phi square. We already calculate lambda BV. Now we have to calculate lambda phi. For calculating lambda phi, there is a formula V1 plus V2 divided by 2T divided by E epsilon under root of pi square E upon 250. In IS code, there are two E given. We have to consider this E as a epsilon. The value of epsilon E is 1. V1 and V2 is that is given here. This is V1 and this is V2. That's why 110 plus 110 divided by 2 into T. T is thickness strength, that is. After putting overall value, you will get the value of lambda phi 0.12. We already calculate lambda BV and lambda phi. So lambda E is equals to under root of K1 plus K2 lambda BV plus K3 lambda phi. Put overall value in the formula and you will get the value of lambda E. Directly calculate this value in calculus. Step 2, we have to calculation of design compression stress. Now you will get this formula in IS code page number 34 clause 7.1.2.1. You will directly get the formula that is FCD is equals to Fy upon gamma m naught. FCD is equals to Fy upon gamma m naught pi plus pi square lambda square to the power 0.5 will be less than Fy upon gamma m naught. First of all you have to calculate the value of phi using this formula. Phi is equals to 0.5 1 plus alpha lambda minus 0.2 plus lambda square. Here the lambda value will be this. Lambda is equals to 1.72. 0.5 plus alpha. Alpha will We will continue step 2 from here. Now we have to calculate FCD. The formula for calculating FCD is Fy upon gamma m naught pi plus pi square minus lambda square 0.5. We have already calculated the value of pi, so directly put the value of pi in this formula. Put the overall value in the formula and you will get the value of FCD. Then check that it will satisfy alpha upon gamma m naught or not. According to it, we will satisfy this condition. The value of Fy is 250 and the value of gamma m naught is 1.1. So our calculation from step 2 is okay. Now to calculate step 3, calculation of design compression step. Directly formula is PD is equals to A into FCD. For getting value of A, page number 10 of steel table.